Hey everyone! Welcome to Munich, the heart of Bavaria, where history has unfolded a great city. Get ready to dive into the rich history, iconic landmarks, and must-know travel tips of this incredible city. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome travel adventures. Munich's story began in 1158 when it was founded by Henry the Lion. Over the centuries, it grew into a powerful city, becoming the capital of Bavaria. From surviving the turmoil of medieval times, witnessing the rise and fall of empires, to rebuilding after the devastations of World War II, Munich has seen it all. Today, it's known for its vibrant culture, stunning architecture, and of course, the world-famous Oktoberfest. From medieval times to modern days, Munich is a city that perfectly blends the old with the new. Our first stop is Marienplatz, Munich's central square since 1158. This square has been the heart of the city for over 860 years. The stunning new town hall, built in Gothic revival style, houses the famous Glockenspiel. At 11 a.m., 12 p.m., and 5 p.m., the square comes alive as the Glockenspiel's life-sized figures reenact historical Bavarian events. It's like a mini time machine taking you back to the 16th century. Take a moment to admire the intricate details of the new town hall's facade and imagine all the history that has unfolded here. Next, we visit the iconic Frauenkirche, or the Cathedral of Our Lady. Constructed in the 15th century, its twin towers are a defining feature of Munich's skyline. Inside, you'll find a serene and impressive interior with high vaulted ceilings and stunning stained glass windows. The cathedral is also home to the mysterious Devil's Footprint, a mark shrouded in legend. For an unforgettable view, climb the towers to see Munich from above, and on a clear day, even spot the Alps in the distance. For a taste of royal life, head to Nymphenburg Palace, the former summer residence of Bavarian kings. This stunning Baroque palace, with its expansive gardens and beautiful interiors, is a must-see. Wander through the opulent halls, where the legendary King Ludwig II was born. The palace park is equally impressive, with its French-style gardens, charming pavilions, and tranquil lakes. The swans gliding along the palace canal add to the fairy tale ambiance. It's like stepping into a royal fantasy. Munich's Englischer Garten is one of the largest urban parks in the world, even bigger than New York's Central Park. Stretching from the city center to the northeastern city limits, it offers plenty of space to relax and unwind. Chill out on the grassy meadows, watch surfers ride the Eisbach wave, and grab a cold drink at the Chinese Tower Beer Garden. On sunny days, the park is bustling with activity, perfect for people watching or simply soaking up the local vibe. Car enthusiasts, this one's for you. Visit BMW Welt and the BMW Museum to dive into the world of this legendary car brand. BMW Welt is an ultra-modern exhibition space where you can explore the latest models and innovations. Next door, the BMW Museum showcases the brand's history with classic cars, motorcycles, and interactive exhibits. The architecture alone is a sight to behold, with its sleek, futuristic design. Whether you're a car buff or just curious, it's a fascinating glimpse into automotive history and technology. Step into the Munich Residenz, the former royal palace of the Bavarian monarchs. This massive complex is filled with luxurious rooms, stunning artworks, and historic treasures. Wander through the ornate Baroque and Rococo rooms, admire the Renaissance courtyards, and marvel at the Antiquarium, the largest Renaissance hall north of the Alps. It's a deep dive into the opulence and history of Bavaria's royal family, showcasing centuries of art, architecture, and royal heritage. Foodies, rejoice! The Viktualienmarkt is Munich's bustling food market, offering everything from fresh produce to local delicacies. Established in 1807, it has grown to over 140 stalls selling fruits, vegetables, meats, cheeses, and more. Grab a bratwurst, sample some cheese, or sip on a freshly squeezed juice. It's a feast for the senses and the perfect place to experience Munich's culinary scene. Take your time to explore the different stalls and perhaps enjoy a meal at one of the cozy beer gardens within the market. Sports fans, don't miss the Allianz Arena, home to FC Bayern Munich. This futuristic stadium is a marvel, especially when it lights up at night with its iconic facade that changes colors. Take a tour to see behind the scenes, including the locker rooms and the players' tunnel. If you're lucky enough to catch a match, the atmosphere is electric. Visit the FC Bayern Museum to learn about the team's legendary history and see trophies, memorabilia, and interactive exhibits. Getting around Munich is super easy. The U-Bahn and S-Bahn are efficient and can take you just about anywhere. Purchase a day pass for unlimited travel on public transport. Bikes are also popular and a great way to explore the city. Bike rental stations are conveniently located throughout Munich. Don't forget the hop-on, hop-off bus for a convenient way to see all the major sites, complete with audio guides in multiple languages. Taxis are available too, but the public transport is so good you might not need them. From cozy hostels to chic boutique hotels, Munich has a range of places to stay to suit every budget. For a unique experience, consider staying in a traditional Bavarian guest house. When it comes to food, you're in for a treat. Dive into traditional Bavarian cuisine, think pretzels, sausages, and schnitzels. Beer gardens are a must-visit for a true local experience, offering hearty meals and refreshing beers. Don't miss trying a Weisswurst, white sausage, with a pretzel and sweet mustard. Prost! While exploring Munich, be mindful of local customs and etiquette. Validate your U-Bahn ticket before boarding. Inspectors frequently check tickets, and fines for not having a valid ticket are hefty. Stand on the right side of escalators to let others pass on the left. Keep noise levels down in residential areas, especially at night. Munich is generally safe, but keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded places. Enjoy the city and respect its culture. That's a wrap on our Munich adventure. We hope you enjoyed exploring the history, landmarks, and travel tips of this amazing city. From ancient squares to modern marvels, Munich has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Munich. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel content. Until next time, safe travels and tschüss! The best time to visit Munich is during the spring and fall seasons, when the weather is mild and the tourist crowds are smaller. Summer is also a popular time, especially for outdoor activities and festivals, but it can be quite crowded. Winter offers a magical experience with Christmas markets and snow-covered landscapes, but it can be cold. To travel efficiently in Munich, consider using the extensive public transportation system, which includes buses, trams, and the U-Bahn and S-Bahn trains. Purchase a day pass or a multi-day pass for unlimited travel within the city. Renting a bike is also a great way to explore Munich, as the city is very bike-friendly. Make sure to book accommodations and popular attractions in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons. Learning a few basic German phrases can enhance your travel experience and help you navigate the city more easily. Additionally, consider exploring some lesser-known spots to avoid the crowds and discover unique experiences. Don't miss out on trying the local cuisine, such as pretzels, sausages, and beer. Visiting a traditional beer garden is a must for an authentic Munich experience. For nightlife, Munich offers a variety of options from cozy pubs to vibrant clubs. When packing, remember to bring comfortable walking shoes and dress in layers to adapt to changing weather. Enjoy the city's beautiful parks and green spaces, perfect for a relaxing stroll or a picnic. With these tips, you're sure to have an unforgettable trip to Munich.